In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you can easily update the expiration date for Apple Pay. To begin, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. This app comes pre-installed on iOS devices and is represented by an icon resembling a wallet with multiple cards. Once inside the app, locate and tap on the Apple Pay option, usually found at the top or in the lower left corner of the screen. This action will take you to the Apple Pay settings. Within these settings, you'll see a list of your added cards. Identify the card for which you wish to update the expiration date and tap on it to access its details. On the card details page, look for an option to edit or update the expiration date. Tap on this option to proceed. A pop-up or new screen will appear, allowing you to enter the new expiration date for your card. You can either use the on-screen keyboard or select the date from the provided options. Once you've entered the correct information, tap on Done or Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Apple Pay expiration date has been successfully updated. Thank you for watching.